Hi friends, today I am with the Google Pixel 4a and in this video we are going to talk about the top 5 reasons why you should consider to purchase Google Pixel 4a. The first reason is the design. The form factor of the device, it is literally very small. The display is 5.81 inch FSD plus display with the OLED screen and HDR also at the same time. Here you can see it has a 3.5 mm jack. It comes with the Type-C charging, stereo speakers. It has a one SIM card slot and also you can see it is literally very small in the footprint. It weighs around 143 grams, and if you talk about the size, it looks pretty much similar size to iPhone 11 Pro which I am using. So you can see the dimensions are pretty much similar. I will talk about that also. Coming to side by side, you can see that iPhone 11 Pro is little more wider and the Pixel 4a is little bit narrower, and it makes easier to grip the smartphone. And definitely in the front here you can see the Pixel 4a is little bit narrower, not much difference is there. But if we come to the body, the Pixel 4a doesn't support wireless charging. It has a plastic back. In the front we are getting a Gorilla Glass 3 display. The protection is definitely there. If we talk about the screen to body ratio, it is 83.3 screen to body ratio. It has a very minimalistic design. It comes with a single camera which we will talk about later on. But overall, if you ask me, I definitely like the smaller footprint devices. Therefore, my first preference for design is definitely Pixel 4a, iPhone 11 Pro, because these are the having a smaller screen, easier to hold and to use also. I definitely don't like the bigger display devices. Coming to the software, the device comes with the Android 11. As you know that this is a Google device, it will get the software update the first one to receive, and also the software experience will be butter smooth. So this is a very good deal for those who love software experience. It also doesn't have any bloatware present in the device, so that is also an added advantage. It has some few features I am showing you. I haven't tried and tested them, but you can try them later on. You can connect it with Google Home. Currently, it doesn't have any navigation button. I have hidden those navigation buttons in the device. Unfortunately, in the device, you will not get any face unlock. I still don't know why Google missed that. Is it purposely or they want to give it in a software update later on? Now coming to the software here, I will show you that it is running on Android 11. You can see that the experience is very smooth. It doesn't have any skin. So if you have any launcher, you want to use it, you can change some icons. There are some icon facility which are given in the device, which I will show you later on. But the best part is that you can get the Android updates faster than any other devices currently in the market. And if we talk about the device, we are getting battery of 3140 mAh with 18-watt fast charger. If we talk about the storage and the RAM, it comes with a 6 GB of RAM, 128 GB of internal storage. This is the only model. If we talk about the styles, we can definitely change some icon colors, icon look and preview. This can be customized, but if you want a third-party launcher, you can definitely go and install them also. When you talk about the Pixel devices, it always comes with the camera. Talking about the camera, the device comes with the 12.2 megapixel rear camera with aperture f1.7, which is definitely wide, and you are getting a 27 mm lens. If we talk about the front camera, in the front we are getting a 8 megapixel with aperture of f2.0. It has a 24 mm wide angle lens. When you talk about the Pixel, it definitely means that the camera performance will be exceptional, and there are a few more toggles inside that. We will talk about that later on. But coming to the camera, you get the best software experience with the camera doing the blurring thing, which you will definitely not get in any smartphone. And when every company and every other brand is going gaga for coming with 4 cameras, 5 cameras. The Pixel is coming with only one camera at the back. So definitely there is some compromises regarding you can't shoot telephoto, you can't take macro shots. There are few things, but at the same time you are getting a RAW plus JPEG shoot which you can do. You can change into full resolution. Resolution setup has not been told by Google. It is not been mentioned here. It has some motion sensor. It comes with the portrait mode, and definitely the front camera is also very good. I have clicked some pictures and images as samples which you guys can definitely check it out. I will show that also. If you talk about the detailing, they are exceptionally good, and the blurring and the images from the side have came out a good result. And you will definitely love the camera what Google is giving you in this smartphone. It is basically the software plus hardware experience which you are getting in the Pixel phone. I am using from last few years, and definitely the camera is outstanding each and every time. And now coming to the samples, here you can see the color saturation and everything came out crisp and well. Here you can see the detailing of the pictures, and also this picture comes with the complete detailing. Here you can see the blur mode, it has blurred each and everything at the background. And tried in the front camera also. Hair strands can be also seen, and this is in the low light situation, the normal light situation. So the edges came out cropped out very well in Google Pixel 4a. Coming to the gaming and the benchmark of the device, benchmark score for Geek benchmark score is here. You can also pause and check out the 3D mark also. Now I will play the game because the device comes with the octa-core processor, Snapdragon 730G. We will see the gaming performance of the device. This is the gaming chipset, so let's see that also.
Further collapse expected. Travel to indicated safe zone. Find the hacker nearby, now. System hacked. System online.
Now if we talk about the one more last feature, it comes with the 3.5mm audio jack, which is definitely not present in this time in all the smartphone, and I'm still think that this is one of the important feature because I do like that audio jack for the smartphone. It will be coming in only one color, just black, which is this one, and it will be exclusive on Flipkart for 29,999 as an introductory offer. Later on the smartphone will be priced for 31,999. So this is Vivin signing off. Please like the video, share the video, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button below for us.